Good day. My name is Robert Farrell. Thank you for being here. I have been in the online training business since 1995, teaching here in New York City since 1987, back when I was 28. I'll be 60 next year. If there's a better way to do and build websites, WordPress is the solution. Now, what I have done for you is I've spent the past 2 years of my life building this amazing affiliate network marketing tool for your benefit. So no longer do you have to jump through hoops to earn money with affiliate marketing. I've done all the heavy lifting for you. So as an example, if you go through my website, you will see when you go to the next page, I have curated over 55 niche marketing websites complete with keyword-rich domain names you'll have access to. You'll also have access to premium themes and premium plugins in the WordPress environment. Plus, I provide training videos that you can't find anyplace else. So thank you for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. If you're serious about earning money with affiliate marketing, here's a tip. Stop selling. What? Stop selling? How can I make money? Stop selling. Nobody wants to be sold. Start engaging people with content. I will share with you my techniques of building content with a little-known company called YouTube. YouTube's a #2 search engine. So what you do is you curate content-rich videos from YouTube, put them on your site, build an affiliate marketing niche, and then have all the back-end tools to help and assist you to earn with affiliate marketing. You can connect your site to ClickBank, Amazon, Walmart, and tons of other affiliate programs. But the key is that you'll have access to over 13,000 domain names for your website. I provide all the tools, all the training. Not only do I teach you how to build the site, but I teach you how to market and promote the site based on my being in the online trenches since 1995. Now, let's be a little candid here. Do I have all the answers? Hell no. Anybody that tells you I'm the guru, I'm the expert, I'm the mastermind, been there, done that, okay? But what I will share with you is time-tested techniques that I've been using throughout the years, and this works every step of the way. So thanks for being here. My name is Robert Farrell, Carpe Diem 2018.